Hello, sweet sisters, and welcome to the 9-day dance challenge. I'm Susanne, and I am lying here on Mother Earth, connecting with that giant womb. Gorgeous, abundant place. Look at this. So simple, right? So simple and so divine. For me, sensuality is a lot about touching the earth, touching the sand, touching all the elements, getting really like wrapped into it. I've danced a lot these past couple of years with other wild women and with myself. And what I noticed is that it all depends on if I succeed diving down under that chit chat from the brain, right? To really get into my body. It's like diving into water and going under a rock or something. And then when we're down there, oh my God, all these worlds, they open themselves and we see all this beauty down there that we couldn't see because of that rock, right? We need to quiet that mind to be able to listen to our intuition, to our senses, and be able to go under and see all that beautiful flowers that lives there, that whole magical world that lives under that rock. That is our inside, our magic. Our sensuality is there, the beauty, everything's there. It was just so much joy dancing. Bye, sisters.